How to improve your memory. Your memory is key to learning, working, and daily activities. The great news is that you can enhance your memory by adopting simple habits and effective strategies. Follow these easy steps to improve your focus, learning, and recall. Step 1. Get quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. A well-rested brain remembers better. Sleep helps your brain process and store new information. Without enough rest, it's harder to concentrate and recall details. Step 2. Stay physically active. Engage in activities like walking, jogging, or cycling for 20 to 30 minutes most days. Exercise increases blood flow to your brain, supporting memory and learning. Even light exercise helps. Step 3. Eat brain-friendly foods. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, fish, and nuts in your diet. These foods provide nutrients that support brain health, including vitamins, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Step 4. Keep hydrated. Drink water throughout the day to help your brain function well. Since your brain is mostly water, staying hydrated keeps it working smoothly. Step 5. Manage stress. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to lower stress. Stress can disrupt focus and memory, so taking time to relax improves brain performance. Step 6. Focus your attention. Minimize distractions like phones or TV when trying to remember something. Your brain needs full attention to store information effectively. Find a quiet place to learn. Step 7. Break information into chunks. Divide long lists or large amounts of info into smaller groups. Chunking helps your brain remember organized bits better than random details. Step 8. Repeat information. Say or read information multiple times to help it stick in your memory. Repetition strengthens brain connections. Review material regularly. Step 9. Connect new info to what you know. Link new facts to familiar people, places, or experiences. Associations give your brain more ways to recall information later. Step 10. Test yourself. Try recalling information without notes to boost memory. Self-testing trains your brain to retrieve info, improving recall. Step 11. Write it down. Take notes or keep lists to reinforce memory. Writing engages your brain actively, helping you remember better than just reading. Step 12. Use memory aids. Create acronyms, rhymes, or images to remember names, numbers, or facts. Creative tricks make info more memorable and easier to recall. Step 13. Learn new skills. Try a new language, instrument, hobby, or skill to keep your brain active. New challenges build brain connections and keep your mind sharp. Step 14. Play brain games. Engage in chess, Sudoku, or puzzles that challenge your thinking. Mental games encourage problem-solving and creativity. Step 15. Review regularly. Go over what you learned after hours, days, weeks, and months. Spaced repetition helps prevent forgetting and improves long-term memory. Step 16. Be consistent. Practice these habits daily. Memory improves with regular effort. Small daily actions lead to lasting brain benefits and keep your mind sharp.